Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda CRF450RL. This high-performance dual sport just arrived with only 439 miles. Showroom condition. This is like having an open class motocrosser that's street legal. Come on by. Make your dual sport dreams come true with this awesome 450RL. Liquid cooled, fuel injected, electric start, 6-speed transmission, only $10,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.